Hello and welcome to Delano, and this is a king suite. So stepping in from the main front door, as you come in, the first thing on your right is a small toilet. So here we go, turn the light on. So the small vanity and your obviously toilet there. And swinging back round into the main room, we have a desk here. You can work here presumably or eat and whatever you need to do. There's media connections on the wall. Got yourself a little lamp here. On the wall you've got your television, and then swinging round your seating area, couch and single chair and table. And you've got your aircon unit there blowing out. It's quite nice and strong, I can feel it. Artwork. And looking back towards the entrance, we have a small kitchenette area. So you've got your ice bucket, coffee, which you'd have to pay for, your sink, and then under here will presumably be the mini bar. And if you want to know how much it costs, scan the QR code there. Okay, and then coming around into the bedroom. So separate room completely to the lounge next door. We've got a nice comfy king bed, a couple of storage either side, some lamps, your luggage rack down there, and a chair table with a very skinny lamp. And then looking back, another aircon unit there, separate for this room to the one on the other side of this wardrobe, which is the lounge. Then opposite the TV, opposite the bed, you have another TV, two wardrobe closets, some storage drawers. And then coming through into the bedroom, I mean, it's all very beige. I mean, if you like the sort of white beige clean look, this has definitely got it. And then coming through into the bathroom, nice big vanity mirror, dual sinks, and some, here are the products, not those down there, there's mine. So those there. And we have a separate soaking tub and separate shower. And then in here, presumably, yep, just another toilet. And there we go. So a king suite at Delano. A view of the Allegiant, which you can't see for the light, but we ultimately didn't pay for this room. It was comped, part of the MGM offer, MGM rewards for 4 free nights, no resort fee. So there we go. Hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up if you did. Any questions, leave below and we will do our best to answer them. But until next time, we will see you then.